Hey, it's Aaron, and if you're watching this, maybe you're checking out the Tripadvisor affiliate program, and maybe you're wondering, how can you make money with Tripadvisor, right? Really, really cool. I'm going to show you how to get set up with the affiliate program and how you can start making money with Tripadvisor, okay? So Tripadvisor, first of all, one of the biggest travel websites in the world. You can book hotels, you can find things to do, experiences, restaurants, flights, holiday rentals, really, really cool. It's a very popular travel website, all right? And what you can do is you can actually re-promote their products and services, right? Their website, their hotels, for example, to people that follow you. So if you have a travel blog, a website, maybe you even have a following on social media, maybe TikTok, Instagram, right? What you can do is you can actually sign up with their affiliate program and you can recommend their products and get paid. Super duper cool. It's a $17 billion industry. A lot of people don't even know about affiliate marketing, but the nice thing that I like about Tripadvisor is, number one, it's a global brand, right? They've got a lot of great travel experiences and they work with most of the hotels around the world. Now, they also pay really high commissions, 50% commissions if you book if somebody books through your affiliate links on the hotels. Really cool. Now, some of the affiliate networks also pay through experiences, and I'll show you this in a second. But the nice thing is that it's actually really easy to do this, okay? Now, how much money can you make by promoting Tripadvisor products, right? Well, it just depends on how many clicks you're getting to your links, all right? So, for example, publisher number 1 sends 170 clicks. They make about $60 per month. Publisher 2 sends about 6,000 clicks. They're making about $1,700 per month. Publisher 3, 870 clicks, makes about $550, okay? Now, I'm going to show you a cool way to make even more money at the end of this video, even if you're a beginner, so stick around, all right? But the way that it works is really simple. With affiliate marketing, all you do is you choose a network partner, and they have 3. I'm going to show you how to sign up with them in a second, right? And once you sign up for it, you need to search for the Tripadvisor affiliate program on the network, sign up for it. Once you get approved, you get your links and you just use your links to promote, right? And when people click on your link and they buy one of the experiences or they book a hotel through your link, you get paid a commission directly by Tripadvisor. Super cool way. You can, go from making side income to full-time income doing affiliate marketing. And that's what I was able to do. I've actually made millions online doing affiliate marketing. So Tripadvisor is, a really, really cool way to start promoting this travel service platform to people that you already are in contact with. So who is this for and how much money can you make? Okay, so first of all, I like the Tripadvisor affiliate program because the commissions are really high. This is very rare. A lot of other travel networks, they don't really pay that much. They'll pay like 8%, 10%, 15%, 50% is really high. All right, so the potential to make more money here is really good. All right, the only problem is that if you don't have a website or a blog or social media where you've got a decent following in the travel space, then you're not going to be able to promote their program because you have nobody to share your links with, right? So when they give you your links, their banner, their marketing assets and things like that, if you don't have a website or an audience, nobody's going to be clicking on your stuff. So if you're somebody who already has a website, a travel blog, maybe a big following in the travel space, it's going to be really easy. You come here, you sign up. I'm going to show you how to do it in a second. You promote it, right? And you're just going to make commissions, pretty easily that way. But if you're a beginner and you don't have a website, you have to build all this up, it's going to take a little bit of time, okay? Now, let me just show you where you can sign up for it. They've got 3 different networks that they work with: CJ Affiliate, Travel Payouts, and Flex Offers. With CJ Affiliate, they only pay on hotel bookings, up to 50%, which is really cool. Travel Payouts will pay on hotel bookings and also on completed booking experiences, which is really cool. So it's not 50%, it's 8%, but you can still make money on the travel experiences, which is really cool. And then with Flex Offers, they actually pay you 16% of revenue generated when a user clicks on the commerce links and ads throughout the Tripadvisor site. So 3 different ways to make money through the different networks. You can sign up with all the networks and set up your links if you want, and maximize your earnings with Tripadvisor, which is really, really cool, okay? So you can make a pretty decent amount of money, but you have to drive quite a lot of people to the program. I like it. I think it's one of the better travel affiliate programs that I've come across as well. It's only going to be a little bit difficult if you're a complete beginner and you have no websites and you have no following and that sort of thing, all right? But if you do and you're a little bit experienced, you want to plug this in, make a bit of money, tripadvisor.com/affiliates, all right? And this is where you can access their program, all right? Now, if you're here and you're a beginner and you're watching this for the first time, On this channel, I talk about all sorts of different ways to make money online. My favorite way is affiliate marketing. It changed my life. I use it to quit my full-time job. I've made millions with affiliate marketing, but you have to understand how to do it step by step. Okay, how to pick products, how to get the maximum commission rates, how to find eyeballs and traffic, how to drive them through a simple process so that you can actually make sales. If you would like to learn that, then I've got a free masterclass that shows you how to do this, and you can do this from anywhere in the world, from home. You can do it on the side. Eventually, it can earn enough for you to replace your full-time job if you work at it hard, all right? If you would like to get that free training, check out my masterclass by clicking the link right below this video. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Tripadvisor affiliate program, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.